Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hey, it's Tay. Hey, it's Tay. So, today's video, let's get right to it. What are we doing? Today's video is actually going to be apartment tour. So I've actually been in this space for over a year now. I wanted to do this video for the longest, but just never got around to doing it. And since we're all quarantining it up and we're all at home, why not do it now? Because I cleaned everything, well, not everything. I need to clean my closet, but we'll get there. I've cleaned a lot. So my apartment is ready to be seen. So let's get right to it. Right now we are on my level of where I'm living at. To be safe, I'm not going to say what it is. If you know me, you know. If you don't, it's for the best. Anyway, but yeah, so we're on my landing and I'm just going to turn the camera around here. So my favorite piece of art is actually from my girl, Rachel Angelica. This is downtown. If you know what it is, you know what it is. But I love this piece of art. And when you come up, you have some little plants and little vase there that my mom got me for when I moved in. So yeah, let's get to more. And then here, sorry for the squeaking, guys. It's very squeaky up here. Just coat rack, shoes, messy, and then my home sign. But let's get to the magic. Well, not the magic yet, you know. So when you walk in, ignore my mess here. I'm sorry, I've been trying to organize. That's like my mess. Everyone has like a junk drawer. I do, but I also have like a junk area. So whatever, it is what it is. So when you walk right in is my kitchen. When I looked at this place, I loved how many cabinets there are. As you can see, there's so much cabinet space. Let me back up here a little bit. And I had like lots of things on my list that I wanted, and this place checked them off all and more. Shout out to Layla, if she's gonna be watching this. She's the one that actually found this place for me, and I love it. So this piece right here was actually not here. Someone helped me move this in. This thing is heavy. It's just like a little kitchen island cart. But yeah, it was like a lot of empty space in the middle, so I wanted to balance it out by adding this to there, and I think it looks nice. So, first thing that was on my list, had to have a dishwasher. I didn't grow up a dishwasher, so I was one of those kids where I was the dishwasher, if you know what I mean. So I definitely wanted that. Who is texting me? Anyway, another thing I wanted, double sinks. I love this double sink. Sorry, it's a little dirty. I was doing dishes a little bit ago, but double sink. And then I wanted I really want it light. So this space, I really like it because there's lots of like natural light that come. Like I don't have any lights on. I'm not sure how it's looking on here, but it's very, very lit up. So we're gonna go around. So there's some more cabinet space, nothing interesting over there. I made some banana bread. That's what it is. I feel like everyone on Instagram right now in quarantine life has made banana bread. Oh, meet Penelope! Another, move my candles, specialty from Layla. I think this is succulent. I got this for my past birthday. She's cute. I'm becoming a plant mom because I'm not allowed to have pets, so meet Penelope. And then these are just some candles. You know, I can't adult today, and then some incense. Well, let's keep moving. Refrigerator.
And it has a white refrigerator. I was like, oh, not a white.
So I live alone. Anyone else's refrigerator was stocked? Well, it was more stocked than this, but my refrigerator never looked at the stock, but your girl had to get some stuff because we're all having to deal with this quarantine life, and there's just more. Ignore the 1800. And then, you know, just a stove. Nothing really interesting about that. I'm cleaning my stove right now, so it's really hot in here. And over here, CinCityChic. Sorry about the curse word, but my friends always like to write on my board. I need to start using this more, but that's just like my keys I hang up there and whatnot. So let's keep moving. And then you come right into my dining room area. Yeah, just nothing really interesting. Also, I bought this music speaker. This thing is amazing. I'm always blasting music. Sorry for my neighbors, but I just love listening to music as I'm like going about my day in my apartment. I'm not really I am a TV watcher. I watch a lot of YouTube, but usually if you come up here, I'm blasting some music and just doing whatever in my apartment. But yeah, so another feature I love was like, this place is like very, like, I didn't want like your cookie cutter, like every other like apartment complex look. Like I really liked how this place had different features that are kind of unique to it. So I really like this like alcove, maybe, I don't know what you would call this, but there's a little cabinetry right here. I thought it was kind of cool. All my pictures of my mom framed for me. She said, oh my god, we have to get all of those pictures up in that little cabinet that you have. So yeah, and then my clock, I'm not sure if that's set right. Is that set right? I don't know. And then here's my little dining room table. So a lot of the pieces I either thrifted or someone gave to me. So this one, for instance, someone gave this to me. But yeah, and then my landlord was so nice. When I moved in, he got me these carpets. So this one, there's one over there, and there's also one in the kitchen. But yeah, so that was nice of him. And then we're gonna go this way. Or should we go this way? No, we're gonna go this way first. So, and then here you see you're gonna walk into my bedroom. Y'all, my bedroom is like my favorite spot in the entire place because it's just everything I want it to be. I do want to change up some things, but right now it's like my favorite. So when you first walk in, I got this amazing pink, I'm not sure how to color. It's like a pink pastel color. I love it. It matches the other portions of my bedroom. This is where a lot of, excuse me, y'all, I'm in my robe, looking real cute, you know. I do have pants on. So, pants.
Sure, Jan.
This is where the magic happens. This is where I beat my face, where I do a lot of my makeup tutorials, where I've done a few, like 3 or so on my channels thus far if you've been following me. But this is where I filmed some of those. Usually I have like my ring light set up right here, but I was doing some work a little bit ago. So I do have a desk that's in my living room, but I do a lot of my work from here because it's just easier. You'll see why, but this is organized, y'all. This is considered to be organized. Maybe I'll do like a full makeup vanity in a little bit, but yeah, I cleaned this and this is organized for me. So then, calendar that needs to be updated. I want to add some like stuff. Like, I think I want to get like a bigger, I definitely need to get a bigger, what's it called? Bookcase, shelving units or something right here, just so I can like, it's not as junky looking. Maybe get some some, what's those things called where you can like put them, something to like conceal everything, you know. I can't think what it's called right now, but yeah, that's that. And then you go into my bathroom, which is attached to my bedroom, so it's just me here, so this is fine. I mean, it does kind of suck if I have like company, but usually it's just me. So I like that it's right next to me when I need to hop out of bed and use the restroom real quickly. So it is kind of like an old school 20s, 40s bathroom, but I think it's kind of like retro. Like, I think it's cool. But yeah, just nothing really cool, nothing really interesting here. I've had this, my roommate in college, she got this when we lived together, and I still have it. It's like my favorite, I am blanking on words this morning. It's my favorite, shower curtain, and I just love it. I've had it ever since college, so yeah. But yeah, candles, nothing new. Hey, I look crazy. But yeah, and then my bed, y'all. Can you count? Guess how many pillows are on here? Just guess. I'm gonna tell you, but still, guess right now. So I'm a firm believer in comfort and your bedding. So all of this came from Target, and I'm obsessed with it. As you can see, there's like a color pattern going on. It's like in that pink that you saw in that chair over there by my makeup stand. But here is where no magic happens. Shout out to Cribs. But really, no, it's just me here. But this is my bed. It's very comfy. I got this piece like in college, this whole bedding for like $100 on Craigslist. Y'all, Craigslist, I'm not sure, but I haven't done it in for long, but Craigslist used to be my ish when I got a lot of my furniture from my apartment in college, and it served me well. And this thing is very sturdy, so love it. But back to pillows. There are 14 pillows on here, y'all, and most of them are decoration. But I love pillows surrounding me. I love just like being like I just like being like something like being near me. So I have all these pillows. But yeah, but as you can see, there's some artwork I got from the at-home store. These two table lamps also came from the at-home store. So mostly everything in my apartment is either the at-home store, Target, or thrifted, maybe from like Facebook Market, Craigslist, whatever, you have it. And then if you all follow me on Instagram, this this piece right here. I named her. I can't remember what I named her, but she has a name. We went through it. I got this from IKEA. If you know IKEA, you know. If you know, you know. Building this thing was the most traumatic experience. It took me about a week almost to build this thing. Super, super traumatic, but I got through it. I built it backwards first, so I had to take it down and redo it. But she is built, and I love her, and she has lots of wonderful things in there. But we're not going to go through all that. But yeah, so yeah, I'm having flashbacks right now, y'all, from building this thing. It was literally traumatic. I'm literally in the middle of building this, and I'm missing one nail. This little tiny nail, I'm missing one. So I can't screw in the other side. I'm just over this. I was doing so well, too. Update. I found the screw. I went to Lowe's, and I came back here, and I found the screw. So IKEA did not mess up, and we're making progress. Look at me. I repeat, and I repeat, I will never buy IKEA furniture again. It's backwards. I'm over it. I'm done. Done. I just want to thank everyone who believed in me, who encouraged me, who came over and helped me, who gave me tools. It's done, y'all. Oh, I didn't think I could do this. And then I got this Choose Happy. I want something really simple and just to wake up to every morning and look up from my bed over here and just remind myself, hey, you have a choice. Choose to be happy. So especially in these times right now in quarantine, all you can do sometimes is just choose to be happy. So I got my candles, and then as you can see, like I said, there's so much natural light. I'm obsessed. But yeah, some water. I always keep water by the bed. The other bottle over there is my Sleep Mist Lavender. Highly recommend, y'all. That stuff works. Aromatherapy, it is essential. I use it every night before I go to sleep. Maybe I'll come in Zoom so y'all can see it. I'm obsessed. Definitely highly recommend. If you're having some sleeping troubles, look into it, because I have I used to have really bad sleep paralysis. Not so much anymore. So yeah. And then we're going to make our way out of here. But yeah, this is my bedroom. Oh, well, one in my closet. Oh, and behind here, if you didn't see, it's just jewelry, but yeah. And then here is my other favorite portion, my closet. I really wanted a walk-in closet. It's not deep. Sorry for my bras. It's gross.
Oh, the ghetto.
It's not deep, but it was deep enough, deeper than the ones I've had. So here is that. I'll turn the light on. Another proud moment, I also built this. I need to organize, but I built this monstrosity this past weekend. My other one was horrible. I'll insert videos of that whole ordeal. It like broke and fell off the wall, so I got this on Amazon. It was only like $80, and I'm obsessed with it. Here's my closet. The next task for during this quarantine life is to get in there and organize, but yeah, let's get out of there. So as you see, that's where my bedroom is. Now we're gonna go to my living room. I would let y'all look in this closet, but it's just another closet, and there's a lot in there, and we're not gonna go in there. This is another piece of artwork that I got from the Rachel Angelica. She's also on YouTube. Shout out to her. I love this piece. So coming into my living room. Yeah. Living room is really big. I like the green walls. I think, again, it's something different. Again, huge windows, as you can see. There's so much natural light, but yeah. But let's start here. So this piece right here is this IKEA mirror. I got this in college again. I got this on Craigslist. This piece I've had for, like I said, since college. So for like 5-6 years. This is like my first big like furniture buying, like not from like a store, which whatever, but like that I bought on my own when I moved into my apartment. I was just so proud of it. So I'm never gonna get rid of this thing. It's still in good shape, so I love it. Yeah. Hey. And then we move over. I take lots of selfies, as you all can see. If you saw my last Fashion Nova video, this is usually where I stand right here to film, and then there is my ring light. So yeah. And then as we move on here, my girl boss, trying to be a boss up in this world. TV, some candles, fake plants. Like I said, Penelope, the plant that you saw in the kitchen, she was my first plant. So we're going to gravitate to more real plants in here, slowly but surely. But let's see how we get along with Penelope. And then just a little fireplace. Doesn't work, but added some candles in there just to make it look kind of, at night it looks really nice where everything's lit up and it's very homey in here. But yeah. And then my big old tea. I think I made that in college. Oh yeah, my roommate and I made that in college. We had like a big B and T on the wall. That was cool. And then just some blankets. And then moved to my really big purchase when I moved in here. So I needed some couches. I didn't have any couches. So that was a big purchase of mine. I wanted comfortable couches and I wanted them to have a certain look. So I really wanted them to have this this angle right here. I didn't want them to be like the bulbous ones that you see. I wanted them to be like square, like cut. So like I got, as you can see, go straight down. And I really wanted some like bling on them. I like these colors. I got these from Bargains and Buyouts, another favorite store of mine. And a matching one. But yeah, here is my lovely living room. As you can see, that is the rest of the Fashion Nova haul I'll be doing probably next week. Putting that video out, probably filming it this week. But yeah. And then let's go over here to my bar area. It says not been used. It is Lent, so for Lent I gave up alcohol, so it's looking really bare right now. But yeah, I love the artwork I have over here. That's one thing I want to do, add some more artwork into this space, into my living room. But I really love this girl right here. Got these from the At Home store. And this one, be fearless in the pursuit of can I speak, Taylor?
Today, Junior?
Come on, get it together, girl. Be fearless in the pursuit of what sets your soul on fire. So I love that. But yeah, here's my bar. I got this piece, the bar itself from IKEA. This was much easier to put together than that dresser. But yeah, I need to maybe do some more. I kind of want to like do some more creative things. I feel like always see on Pinterest people make their bar look so cute. So maybe I'll think about doing something like that. And then here's a space that I really want to revamp so much. This is like my little office, corner office, desk area. I want to get some like artwork and some like shelving units or something. It just needs some love. Like I said, I usually work in my bedroom, in my makeup station, because it's a lot easier. I don't even have a chair here. Well, I do have a chair, but it's on my balcony, which is out there. So yeah. Oh, and the other thing that was on the list was a balcony. So I do have a balcony. We don't have to go out there though, because it's like, yeah, we're not going to go out there. But my balcony, which is in the front, which is okay, but yeah. Balcony was on the list. And the other thing was a washer and dryer, which is in the basement, but we're not going to go down there. So yeah, this is my home. I hope you all enjoyed viewing. Again, your girl's looking crazy. I just got some cleaning done to film this video. But I want to thank you all for tuning in. Remember to please like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. And stay tuned for more videos. If you like this, let me know. If you didn't, let me know. But either way, have a wonderful rest of your day. Stay safe, stay healthy. Bye.